Hi, this is Chris, and what we're looking at here is a landscape design to deal with stormwater runoff from the parking lot and the rooftops of the buildings. And the water comes moving into here. You can see they've cut out the curbing so the water will flow in, and that's going into each of these two basins. These two basins are a new practice in landscaping where it is a mixture of sand and mulch, and then further down some gravel, commonly referred to as bioswale. It's a fundamental flaw in the way bioswales are being specified by architects and the companies that are responsible for blending most of them. Self-serving interest, really, by the companies making it, because bioswales are almost entirely composed of a ratio of fill sand or washed concrete sand and organic matter. There's so much organic matter, green waste, building up in the state that someone had the ingenious idea of using it to make bioswale with. The problem when you make a mixture of sand and organic matter is that the organic matter is going to quickly get digested down. So whereas we know that the original grade of this was up here, it's now dropped about 12 to 16 inches. And over the course of the next couple of years, it'll drop further, really creating quite a hazard of people walking across here, and not very effective because it's just getting more and more compacted. In other words, the whole purpose of the bioswale was that there was sand and organic matter filtering out the water, but in pretty soon it'll just be sand, or sand with a very low amount of organic matter, thus defeating the entire purpose of the bioswale installation. A much better idea for a bioswale would be maybe 10% organic matter and volcanic cinders mixed with sand. That would give the percolation some organic matter, also adding a great deal of biochar. Biochar would take the place of the organic matter and be far more effective at filtering out pollutants. Just something to begin thinking about in the conversation about bioswale installations. As you can see, 2 years later, 3 years later, this is a freaking fiasco. And this is pretty well common wherever bioswales have been installed, because it's just dropping, just shrinking as the organic matter is eaten up.